Hi guys, we have here the Andis T-Outliner Cordless Lithium Ion Trimmer, the brand new one on the market. They've turned it into a cordless one of the all-time best trimmer on the market, the standard T-Outliner. So we do have them available. If you're looking to purchase them, please visit the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a sound bite so you guys can see the clipper firsthand and the dock and everything that comes in one of these boxes. So let's go ahead and open this up. So they usually come, like you can see, sealed on the ends there. This is what you'll receive in the package. Fixed T-blade, charging adapter, premium charging stand, blade oil, and comb guide. So you can use this kind of like the GTX. Comes with the comb guides with it. And as you see, lithium ion battery, delivers over 100 minutes of runtime, charges in 1 hour complete charge. So great quality product. The price is up there compared to the standard T-Outliner. So I don't know if that's just the start out price before, because everyone's excited to get it, or it's going to be like that all the time. But hopefully it comes down as the years goes along and everyone starts getting one. So let's go ahead and open this up right here. Remove the stickers on the corner. Reviews so far have been great. A lot of people have been talking about them. So excited to get these into your hands. You can order them as of right now, or pick up in store as well. Let's go ahead here and open that up. Get this sticker off here. Oops, sticker's giving me trouble. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Got the sticker off. Let's go ahead and open this up. And there you go. That's how it comes like in the package. Nice, sleek, elegant. So it's not wrapped up. I'm not sure if that's how all of them are, but this is how it looks like it came in the box. Charger dock is not wrapped up either. So the inside kind of protects it nicely. I do like the elegant look design to it. Feels sturdy, nice as well. So let's go ahead and put that to the side here. Put that here. So model ORL. And this use care and instructions. As always, keep this for a 1-year warranty. Comes in a nice box as well. I guess maybe that's why the price is a bit high. They kind of have a premium packaging going on here. Nice, sleek, and elegant. So T-Outliner Cordless Li, item 7400, 4 attachment combs, US adapter, 1/2 ounce oil tube. So let's go ahead and open that up. So that's it, empty. Get that out. Like I said, 4 comb guides. So this technically can be used like a clipper, but basically, I mean, it can be. So maybe that also adds to the premium pricing. Can be used as a clipper, just like the GTX. And you have obviously the charging dock. The charging plug. Standard, looks like that. And what else we have? The standard oil comes in most Andis tools anyways. So now let's get to the trimmer here. Let's remove that from here. Ooh, yeah, that's great. It says not to turn on until completely fully charged, but we'll do. They come charged anyway, so we'll just turn it on just to give you guys a quick sound bite on the sound there. So that is the trimmer, and let's do a closer look at the dock charging stand. The charging stand looks premium as well. Yeah, you can feel that. That's nice and sturdy. That's not going anywhere. That's a great quality dock, charging dock. Great job by Andis to do this, because especially those who are working in barber shops, you always just want to put it on. You don't have to plug it in and all that. Just set that on top, and there you go. While you're cutting with another clipper or trimmer, this can be charging, so you don't really got to worry about charging time. But you can feel that's sturdy. That's not going anywhere. That's nice and heavy. not gonna tip over, none of that. Just set that in there. Great job by Andis, highly recommended. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Whoa, now the sticker's in my way. Let's go ahead and turn that on for you guys here. You can see when it's running, the blue light comes on. Sound, there's the sound light. And keep quiet. Sounds a bit different than the regular TI liner cordless, maybe because it's not plugged in or not fully charged as well. Doesn't sound as loud, that's for sure. But I love it's not too heavy. It's perfect. I mean, I think cordless is the wave of the future as far as barbers. You know, cord's great, but just be able to move, flexibility, home calls. You know, you gotta go somewhere and cut someone's hair or on the go. Even for those who have personal use, you know, you want to keep it in your car. You need a quick trim, edge up, trim your mustache, your beard. It's great to have a cordless tool of this magnitude, powerful. You can see the blades here. I can't tell if there's zero gap or not right out the box, but usually they're not. But you obviously can do that with this one as well. I'm not sure if you can. What else? There's more to talk about, but there you go. You can see the light comes on. Turns on blue. Let me do one more sound bite quickly here. So I like that. So no wonder there is a premium price for this. So I don't think this price is going to drop comparable to like the Andis regular TI liner that's corded. This has a few extra features, a few extra premium products added to it, as you can see here. You know, the light, that obviously that makes it cool. So yeah, I can see why, you know, they're going for a tad bit higher. A lot of people have been complaining, but I think there's a reason to that. They put in a lot of thought, a lot of preparation into getting this done. Great quality product from Andis. 10 out of 10 for sure, guys. So highly recommend it. If you're looking to pick this up, please visit the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please let us know. There's where you plug it in, or you can sit on the dock. The dock, again, high quality as well. Andis is a reputable brand, been around for hundreds of years, so can't go wrong with the Andis product. If you're an Andis TI liner, that's your tool of choice. Highly recommended to pick the cordless up. Maybe when the price maybe goes down, that might be more, you know, price for those price conscious, but no question, great quality tool. So there you have it, guys, the Andis TI liner cordless lithium ion trimmer with the charging dock. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.